Hi, let me show you how to restart your iPhone 16e with the help of two ways. The first one is just basic restart with the help of settings. So let's open settings, then scroll a bit down to find general, select it, and from here scroll all the way down to find shutdown option. You would need to tap it and then slide here to turn off your phone. And to turn back on, you would need to hold just side key itself. So if you need to force restart your phone, for example, it's lagging, then you can quickly press volume up, then volume down, and then hold just power button. So let's try this out. Ignore this part of menu, just continue holding the button till you can see Apple logo appears on the screen. And here it is. Now we can release the button and simply wait for the phone to turn back on. And that's all. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.